Feeling a bit chilly out? I don't know, but what I do know is that we're visiting Chile on worldly treats with no meats. And no, we aren't making chili. Chile is a country in South America that forms a long, thin strip along the southwestern coast. It also includes a number of islands to the south of the continent, the isolated Easter Island, and other islands located in the Pacific, as well as claims to a sizable chunk of Antarctica. Chile was first discovered by Europeans when Ferdinand Magellan discovered the Strait of Magellan at Chile's south. Chile was colonized by the Spanish Empire after European settlers searched for gold in the area. During this time, they faced massive insurrection from the native Machupi people. It was during Napoleon's reign and his questionable ties with the Spanish Empire that Chile started to push for independence. Chile was proclaimed independent in 1818. The country was rocked by a military coup in 1973, ousting their current president. Today, Chile is a Spanish-speaking republic that is home to 17.5 million people. The shape of the country forms a unique blend of environments, with the arid Atacama Desert to the north, slowly transitioning to a Mediterranean climate, an ocean-like lake-filled region, and even icy tundra as one moves south. It exists as one of South America's most prosperous and stable nations, leading in human development, peace, and freedoms. The capital of Santiago is one of the largest cities in the Americas. 40 empadas you will need. 1 cup of flour, all-purpose, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of sugar, white, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 3/8 of a cup of milk, a quarter cup of water, and 8 ounces of mozzarella, and enough vegetable oil for frying. In a large bowl, whisk the flour together with salt, baking powder, baking soda, and sugar. Gently mix the vegetable oil into the flour. Place the milk and water in a saucepan and heat until almost boiling. Stir the hot liquid into the flour mixture. Add more water, 1 tablespoon at a time, if the mixture seems too dry and crumbly, or add more flour if the mixture is too wet and sticky. Knead the dough gently until well mixed and homogeneous. Divide dough into 8 portions and roll each piece into a ball. Let the dough rest for 5 minutes. Grate or finely chop the cheese. Roll each ball of dough into a 6 to 7 inch circle. Place 1 ounce of cheese in the center of each dough circle. Fold the dough in half over the cheese to form a semicircle. Press down firmly along the edges. Roll the edges inward over itself and press down to seal. Crimp edges decoratively with a fork, pressing to seal. To get a shiny, crispy crush, brush the empadas with a mixture of 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of milk or a tablespoon of water before baking. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and place the empadas on a baking sheet. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden brown. Alright, first bite. Nice and crisp pastry, nice melty cheese. That's good. I think I'm going to eat all 3 of these.